Hi there! Are you looking for an easy breakfast that is so quick and at the same time so healthy? Then this video is for you. Come, let's make this plantain frittata or plantain omelette or plantain pizza, whichever name you choose to call it. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching my video, and to my returning viewers, thank you once again. So what we need for this recipe is some plantains, eggs, and whichever proteins and veggies you choose to add. It's optional. Personally, I'm not a fan of adding salt to my plantain. I know most people prefer adding salt to the plantain, but I feel that plantain has its sweet taste and it tastes so good on its own. It's just a personal choice, so you can add salt to your plantain if you want. All you need is just to have this golden brown color and fry your tomato, onion, and Scotch bonnet and add protein of your choice. You can spice this according to your own taste and you're good to go. I've come across some people that don't like plantain. They dislike any form of plantain, be it roasted, boiled, fried, or whatever form of plantain. They just dislike it. Well, it's normal to dislike a particular food, but trust me, if you dislike plantain, you need to try this version of plantain. You will really like it. Everyone has a different method of making frittata, but mine, I usually take off the heat from my pan, add some oil, then add my egg mixture, then gently add the quantity of plantain I want or desire. At this point, some people also add additional egg on top, then cover, as you can see. I check if it's evenly cooked by lifting each side up, as you can see, and mine came out perfectly fine. This is another reason I call it plantain pizza, because it looks like a pizza and I'm cutting it like a pizza. So this came out really nice, as you can see, well coated and very delicious. I usually eat this on its own, but some people prefer having this with a cup of tea, coffee, or maybe a bowl of pap. Whichever one you choose, that's perfectly fine. Thank you for watching my video so far. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.